The astronomical community has been buzzing about 3I/ lately. It's sparking a new wave of conspiracy theories. Some claim NASA shut down directly because it detected its secrets. Others say it's intelligent and deliberately evaded Earth's monitoring near its perihelion. What exactly is this interstellar visitor, which is 10 million times larger than its predecessor Oumuamua? Is it really a product of extraterrestrial civilization, as the Harvard professor claims? Next month will be its closest approach to Earth. Before that, let's dig into it together. First, we need to know, objects that break into our solar system from outside are what we call interstellar visitors. You might think there are many such visitors. No. The 3I in 3I Atlas means it's the third interstellar visitor we've discovered and confirmed. Before it, there was 1I/Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I/Borisov in 2019. As for whether there are many more we haven't found, who knows? But 3I/ATLAS has many differences from the former star Oumuamua. It's even like an upgraded version. First, in terms of size, Oumuamua is only 400 meters wide, about the distance from east to west of a large stadium. Meanwhile, 3I/ has a diameter of 10 to 20 kilometers, 50 times that of Oumuamua. Its mass is even 10 million times that of Oumuamua. Not only is 3I/, but it also flies faster, twice the speed of Oumuamua. Moreover, the angle between its orbital plane and the ecliptic is nearly 175 degrees, meaning it's flying in an almost retrograde direction. 3I/ travels along a hyperbolic orbit with an eccentricity as high as 6.14, unbound by the sun's gravity. Although December this year will be its closest approach to Earth, it will eventually return to interstellar space. While 3I/ poses no danger to humans based on its orbit, the unknown always fills people with both curiosity and fear. What exactly is the mysterious 3I/? Why does Harvard professor Avi Loeb believe it's a product of extraterrestrial civilization? Typically, such small celestial bodies are either asteroids or comets. As observations of it near its perihelion continued, people noticed its surface was smoking, a phenomenon consistent with the sublimation of water ice, making it more like a comet. This phenomenon is generally called a coma. But strangely, when people looked at earlier photos taken by other satellites, especially those beyond Jupiter's orbit, its surface already had a coma. What does this mean? You have to remember that Jupiter is very far from the sun. Without sufficient solar radiation, water ice can hardly sublimate directly. Could it not be water at all? Turns out it's not. Using near-infrared spectrometers, scientists discovered that these components are actually carbon dioxide, with a ratio as astonishing as 8:1. Not only that, 3I/ also has an unusual chemical composition. Scientists detected rare nickel vapor, but no iron. This nickel-iron separation does not fit the conventional comet model. It's for these reasons that the Harvard professor guessed it might be an alien spacecraft accelerated by stellar gravity. But do these pieces of evidence really hold up? Not necessarily. First, although retrograde orbits are rare, celestial bodies in the Milky Way are widely distributed. Random intrusion is not impossible. As for the nickel-iron separation, scientists speculate that nickel may have combined with organic compounds in molecular form and was only released later with no artificial intervention involved. The most crucial point, though, is that we have not detected any artificial electromagnetic signals or mechanical structures. In other words, it's hard to call this a polite or curious alien visitor. Furthermore, 3I/ is approximately 7 to 8 billion years old, older than the solar system itself. So it's very likely from an ancient star system in the Milky Way with high levels of metallic elements, and was probably ejected early in the formation of that star system for various reasons. After traveling for billions of years, it finally drifted into our solar system. In other words, it's more like an ancient interstellar comet with a surface rich in dry ice. As it continues to fly, telescopes around the world are tracking and observing it. What exactly is it? What secrets does the universe hold? It's believed that as 3I/ drifts on, it will bring us more cosmic truths in the future. We will also continue to update everyone on 3I/Atlas's subsequent movements. We are Gskyer, a world-renowned brand of professional telescopes. In the future, we will often share astronomical knowledge, cosmic anecdotes, and telescope reviews and tutorials on our homepage. Welcome to subscribe to our channel. Let's look up at the stars and wander the universe together.